Welcome to a showcase of ingenuity and architectural brilliance as we delve into the realm of container living with a twist. In this exploration, we will unveil 3 container homes that defy the ordinary and present a rare glimpse into unconventional design. These extraordinary dwellings go beyond the commonplace, pushing the boundaries of creativity to deliver homes that are not only functional but also awe-inspiring. Join us on this journey as we discover the exceptional and seldom seen world of container living, where innovation takes center stage and each structure tells a unique story of form, function, and imagination. Welcome to a curated selection of 3 container homes that stand out from the ordinary, showcasing the extraordinary possibilities within the world of container architecture. The Honomobo HO4 Plus is an innovative and sustainable housing solution constructed from 4 20-foot shipping containers. Known for its durability and eco-friendly design, this modular home is a popular choice among those seeking a modern and efficient living space. One of the notable features of the HO4 Plus is its quick and convenient delivery and installation process, taking only a few weeks to be transported and set up on the desired site. This makes it an attractive option for those in need of a timely and efficient housing solution. The design of the HO4 Plus emphasizes a seamless indoor-outdoor connection with options for 1 or 2 walls of glazing. This feature enhances the overall living experience by bringing in ample natural light and providing residents with a connection to the surrounding environment. The interior of the HO4 Plus is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The master bedroom boasts an ensuite with double sinks and a shower, offering a private and luxurious space. Additionally, there are 2 supplementary bedrooms equipped with built-in closets and the option for a desk, catering to the diverse needs of residents. The main bath features a tub-shower combo, adding a touch of versatility to the home. The living and dining area is spacious, providing a comfortable and inviting atmosphere for residents. Patio door access to the balcony further extends the living space, allowing for outdoor enjoyment and relaxation. The kitchen in the HO4 Plus is a standout feature, equipped with luxury appliances and an island for added convenience. This space is designed for both functionality and style, catering to the needs of individuals or families who appreciate a well-appointed kitchen for cooking and entertaining. In summary, the Honomobo HO4 Plus combines durability, eco-friendliness, and modern design to offer a versatile and efficient housing solution. With its quick installation process and thoughtful features, it provides a comfortable and stylish living space for those looking to embrace a contemporary and sustainable lifestyle. Shipping Container House Airbnb. This video Levi Kelly introduces the perfect weekend getaway in a unique space located in nature. The house is set among trees for privacy, far from the city center. However, it's located within walking distance of roads for groceries or a cup of coffee at Jeter's Coffee House. After a day of shopping and exploring Amish country, you can relax in this unique space. The master bedroom is located on the top floor and features a queen bed, closet for storage, flat-screen Roku TV and YouTube TV and sofa. The second bedroom has a full-size bed and a closet for storage. The master bath is located on the top floor and features a large vanity, walk-in shower, toilet and towel storage. Additionally, the main floor features a second bathroom with a comfortable Sopra bath, vanity and toilet. The kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances including a microwave, electric range, Keurig single-serve coffee maker, refrigerator with water and ice dispenser, dishwasher, plates, cups, bowls, wine glasses, utensils, blender, pots and pans. Frying pan and coffee filter included. The living room has 2 large sofas and a coffee table and a large flat-screen TV with Roku and YouTube TV. The dining room is a 4-chair space that can be used for dinner or as a casual workspace. The space above the spiral staircase includes a sofa and a double sun telescope for exploring the universe. The backyard is one of the home's most popular lounging areas, complete with a large 4-burner grill, patio chairs and a table. It offers great views of the open space, which is frequented by deer. The side patio has a table and chairs for 2, making it the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee. There is also a campfire area in the back where you can enjoy s'mores in the late evening. Guests have free access to the entire house, backyard and all outside areas. Towels, bedding, pillowcases and paper products are all available as well. Additionally, the home is a short walk to. If you want more details, you can visit Levi Kelly's official YouTube channel. The link is in the description. The Rustic Retreat tiny home by Backcountry Containers, located in Houston, Texas, is a charming and functional dwelling crafted from a single 20-foot shipping container. This innovative tiny home is designed to cater to both on- and off-grid living applications, making it a versatile solution for various purposes. Backcountry Containers, a company based just outside of Houston, specializes in creating shipping container tiny homes, and the Rustic Retreat is a prime example of their craftsmanship. This compact yet stylish cabin is well suited for diverse uses such as acreage living, hunting or fishing cabins, bunkhouses, backyard retreats, weekend getaways, or even as a cabin rental. Upon entering the Rustic Retreat, one is greeted by a surprisingly posh and stylish interior. The white shiplap walls, weathered hardwood floors, and tongue and groove ceilings contribute to a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Despite its small footprint, the home is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and aesthetics. The interior features a well-equipped kitchenette, complete with a mini fridge and a deep farmhouse-style sink. The functionality of the space is enhanced by the inclusion of a full bathroom with a stall-style shower. The clever use of space is further exemplified by a convertible-style sectional that transitions into a full-sized bed, accommodating up to 3 people. For additional sleeping arrangements, a flip-down style twin bed can be added. One of the standout features of the Rustic Retreat is its rooftop deck, accessible via a staircase. This outdoor space adds an extra dimension to the living experience, providing an ideal setting for a line of rocking chairs and evenings spent with friends. In total, the beautiful front and rooftop decks contribute almost 200 square feet of additional living space, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. In conclusion, the Rustic Retreat Tiny Home by Backcountry Containers is a testament to the creativity and adaptability of shipping container architecture. It offers a comfortable and stylish living space that is well suited for a variety of purposes, making it a unique and appealing option in the world of tiny homes.